Hey guys, this is Ryan. I'm coming from sunny St. George, Utah. Today we're going to talk about our amazing outdoor audio systems. First thing we're going to do is talk about layout. Next is the install. And finally, we're going to talk about the easy part, which is listening and enjoying your system. For the layout, we have a 6,500 square foot yard here today, so we're going to use our larger system. It includes 8 AS2s, 2 subterranes, and 1 crown amplifier. We're ready to do the install now. As you can see over here, we've dug a hole that's 2 feet by 2 feet by 20 inches deep. And then over here you can see we've spaced the speakers out 25 to 30 feet apart. Okay, now for wiring up the speakers. The first thing we're going to do is turn the dial for the tap settings to the max, and that'll be 30 watts for the AS1s, and for the AS2s that'll be 50 watts. The next thing you can see we did is route the wire out through the hole. As you can see here, I'm just tying the wires around red to red, black to black. And then we're going to take a soldering iron, use some solder. Got that one done, now we're going to do the black. Okay, now we're done with that. We're going to take the heat shrink, slide it over, and then we are going to heat it up. Okay, the second way of doing it is using the supplied wire nuts. They are silicone filled, so they are water resistant. And all you're going to do is take each cable, twist the blacks together, the reds together, and then use a wire nut on each one. You can also use the same connection methods with the subterrane. Now we're ready to install the subterrane. So we're going to take the subterrane, bury it in the hole, fill it with dirt, and we're ready to go. Okay, now for the amplifier install. The first thing we're going to do is remove this speaker wire cover, and we're going to hook up the AS1s over to channel 2 and the subterrane to channel 1 using these spade connectors that come supplied. The next thing we're going to do is take the green Molex connectors and plug them into the input channel 1 and 2, and it doesn't really matter which one goes where because it's all mono mixed inside the amplifier. As you can see, we have the amplifier installed now, and over here you can see that we're on the AS2/subwoofer setting. There's 5 other presets available depending on what speaker package and what subwoofer configuration that we have. Also, we have the locking gain control knobs on, which keeps your customers away from being able to mess with anything on the amplifier. Just a couple of reminders. We have an install sheet that has all the steps we talked about today, along with a system design team and technical support that can help you with your next outdoor project.